First go to the file and choose open. Select the stamp image. Click open. Now open select and choose color range. Pick the background white color. Select the grayscale option under selection preview. Increase the fuzziness to 120. Enable the invert option. Click OK. Now click on the add layer mask option below. Now go to the file and choose open. Select this invoice image. Click open. Open the stamp window. Take the move tool and move the stamp in this manner. Press Ctrl T for the transform option. Hold the Alt button and decrease the stamp size like this. Hit enter. Now go to blend modes and choose multiply. Let's see the final result.